I bet some of you were like, oh, thank God it's not another Tesla video with me sitting over your shoulder the entire time. Hey, how you doing? Duff here, and you are looking at my 2019 Tesla Model 3. Just picked it up at the end of April. And I'm doing my second mod today, or at least I'm going to be testing out my second mod today. First mod was installing the high quality screen protector on my control center, on my Tesla screen, whatever you want to call it. And I've been very, very pleased with that mod so far. It's really a nice screen cover, feels great. If you're interested in it, there's a video that I did about it, and a link to it is in the description below. But my other mod that I have today, actually I have several mods, but the one for today is something I wasn't expecting to be able to do yet, because every time I went to the Tesla store, it was out of stock. And about 2 weeks ago, I was just for the hell of it, I went in the store, and this item was in stock. I'm like, oh shit, well I guess I better buy it. And it's probably the least expensive thing that I've had to buy for the Tesla so far, and it's this. I'm like, okay, you bought some Tesla pins or buttons. No, what this is actually a conversion kit that allows you to remove the aerodynamic hubcaps, because that's basically what they are, is hubcaps, and expose the alloy wheels underneath. So that is what I'm going to try to do. Of course, it's easily reversible. I have heard that these aerodynamic hubcaps actually contribute about a 10% fuel efficiency savings when you're on the highway because of their reduced wind drag. So although I don't do a lot of highway driving, I am conscious of that. So if I was going on a road trip or a longer drive, I might swap them back and forth depending on how easy it is, and I believe it is pretty easy. I know they come off pretty easy, so let me show you how. I don't know if any other Model 3 owners that have these wheels, these are the base wheels, have noticed, but when you're just driving, so you have to be going slow, I guess, to hear it, these kind of creak. Like when I first got the car, I was going up the driveway and Cindy's like, what is that creaking, clicking noise? And I had her get in the car and go back and forth a little bit, and it was the hubcaps actually, just them being popped on here, I guess. They kind of make a little bit of a creaking noise, which you don't hear when you're driving, so I guess it's not that big of a deal, but it's kind of weird. But these are just one with clips. And I've had it off once before, so hopefully I can do it again. There we go. All right, so what that exposes underneath is a pretty nice looking alloy wheel, if you ask me. I'm kind of surprised they had that covered up. To me, it almost looks better than the upgraded wheels that are more of a light alloy. This darker alloy, especially with this color paint, I think it looks better. So basically what you do is take one of these new center caps that they give you, pop it in, and then they also include covers for your lug nuts. Just these little plastic covers, just slide them on. All right, there you go, one wheel done. So let's back up. Let's take this. Peel here. All right. For some reason that wasn't peeled off. Let's peel that off. All right, so let's back up and take a look at the difference. You tell me what looks better. I think, and although I don't dislike these, to me that clearly looks better. So let me get the other ones done. All right, I guess that's where my Tesla hubcaps are going to live for now. I like it. So yeah, if you're interested in one of these for yourself, if you go in the Tesla store under accessories for Model 3, it's called the Tesla Wheel Cap Kit, and it was $50 plus tax. So yeah, like I said, one of the more affordable Tesla things I've had to buy so far. And before I forget, even though I did put this in the beginning of my autopilot video from earlier in the week, I did want to take a quick second. Oh wow, okay. I have another one. I want to take a quick second to thank the 4 people that used my Tesla referral code so far. Eric, Gareth, Marius, and now Chrisand. Evidently just ordered yesterday? Day before, something like that. Yeah, that's awesome, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You get free supercharging miles. All but one of these orders was after the 5,000 spiff was put in place. So that means that both you and I get 5,000 supercharging miles for free, which is awesome. One thing to keep in mind is, from what I read, those supercharging miles expire after 6 months. However, if you get another referral during that 6-month time, it gets added back into the that time gets extended another 6 months, and those miles get extended another 6 months. So if you don't get any more referrals, yeah, you lose them after 6 months. If you get more, you can just keep extending that out pretty much infinitely. So yeah. Anyways, thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. That's so nice. So nice. All right. So what do you guys think? Like I said, I didn't hate the hubcaps, and I like that they're more efficient at highway speeds. But visually, I think this looks sharper. Without a doubt, at least to me. So I'm curious what other people think about it. I don't see a lot of 3s on the road with the alloys exposed like this. You know, I personally have not seen any yet. So although I'm sure they're out there, but for $50, I think it's a nice way to kind of distinguish your car from the other ones out there. So anyways, I got some more videos planned. Maybe this weekend I'll have some more time, maybe not, I'm not quite sure. I do have some more mods that I have almost all the parts I need. I have enough parts to do one of the mods, so I'll get around to doing that soon. But if you found this video interesting, please give it a big thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're going to subscribe, you might as well hit that bell so you get notified whenever a new video is posted. And feel free to leave your comments, suggestions, ideas, and thoughts below, especially what you think about these exposed alloys versus the hubcap. I'm curious, maybe I should do a poll on it, really. That's what I should do. Those of you that are interested, tomorrow evening, Sunday, tomorrow the 20th? I don't know. Sunday night, 8 p.m., I'm going to be doing my bi-weekly live stream where it's going to be lots of talk about personal electric vehicles and the Tesla. The Tesla has definitely established itself as a big part of that live stream. But anyways, yeah, just tune into my channel 8 p.m. tomorrow night, and you can feel free to participate. And that's all I have for you for now. Till next time, stuff me now. Don't you think the alloy wheels look cooler? Question mark.